Don't be shy to communicate and ask for more in your business deals. You deserve it. This is Naren, and I want to tell you, don't be shy. Ask for more if you need to, and if you want to, if you have that desire within, in a business deal especially, because guess what? The other person is not going to say okay if they're not benefiting in some way. So always negotiate for a better deal. And here's how, one way you could communicate rather than just asking for a price reduction. So let's say somebody comes to me and is trying to sell me a refrigerator. They say, hey, this is for $1,000. One way is to ask them for a price reduction. Say, I'm going to pay $900. That's one way. Here's another way. If you're too shy to ask for a price reduction, this is what you got to do. $1,000? Okay, that's good for the refrigerator, but I want 1 year maintenance for free on top. So you're not negotiating on the price, you're negotiating on the value you want for the price you're paying. And that's another way to negotiate a better deal in business if you're too shy to ask for a price reduction. And let me tell you what, a yes is what you may get if you ask, but a no is what you have if you don't ask. So always ask for a better deal in business. Don't be shy to communicate that. Much love. I'll see you in my next video.